Trump has been held in contempt of court and fined $9,000 for violating a judge's gag order in his hush money trial in New York. The judge cited 9 violations of the order that bars him from making public statements about witnesses, jurors, and some others connected with the case. Testimony in that trial continues today. Meantime, in an interview with Time magazine, the former president refused to rule out the possibility of violence if he does not win the election in November. It depends, he said, if the results are, quote, fair.